I got sucked into D&D. So I've whipped up some green sand. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Not gonna show you how to do that because there's plenty of tutorials on YouTube. Got the casting flask set up here, and what we'll be casting, a bunch of keys, because why not? Yep, here's where it starts to suck. You see where all of them are, but now we've got to dig out all the faces. So I'm doing it differently this time. This time I want to have most of the sand already in there. Then I'll have a little bit of a loose layer and stick the molds all in. Oh, I should get, before I do that, should get these guys covered in powder. Ah, that smells horrible. I know it's hard to grasp on video, but this has been about 3 or 4 more tries, and it's finally perfect. So instead of being an idiot and doing what I did last time, I'm going to use a really small drill bit to drill through the tops of all of the molds to give them that air release. Then I'm going to pull them out, and it should be good to cast again, and this time it should work. Well, unfortunately, it didn't quite work anyways. It did punch out the backs, but that wasn't the problem last time, so I'm trusting this time it probably won't be a problem. Well, that's fantastic. Trying to pull out the 6-sided dice. Screwed the whole thing up, but I'm not making that a third time, so I'm just gonna hope that all the others will be fine. Well, here was pour number 2. It was absolutely perfect, except, guess what? I couldn't have that. I rotated the freaking thing wrong. Oh, that is an impressive mistake. It hurts. It really hurts. Perfect pour.